Alexa, open my Python widget.
Welcome to the plant care skill. You can say water my plant to water it or say help to know more. What would you like to do?
Water my plant.
I'm not sure. You can say hello or help. What would you like to do?
Alexa, water my plant.
Tap on the button to water your plant. The plant has now been watered.
Alexa, water my plant.
Tap on the button to water your plant.
You can see it's been watered, and I can't tap the already watered button. Alexa, remove watering.
Your plant needs watering. Say water my plant.
Water my plant.
Tap on the button to water your plant.
I'll reset it with the remove watering.
The plant has now been watered.
Alexa, exit.